Now, this is how you can convert a JPEG to PNG on your Mac computer. Let's get into it. So at first, the easy method is using an online converter where you can look it up inside of Google that you want to convert JPEG to PNG, and a bunch of different websites and services are going to jump at you where you can use them to upload your JPEG files and then save them as PNGs, right? It's pretty simple, but it requires you to upload the images and then download them. So, it is an easy method because you don't need to download anything. But if you want to be a little bit more professional with it or go a little bit deeper, then you will need to have or use a different approach. And me personally, if I wanted to do that, I would just stick with Photoshop, where I can open up and start a new project and import my JPEG file, perhaps perform some changes, cropping or adding whichever effect I want. And then if I wanted to save it as PNG, I can easily just export it and choose the file format to be PNG. So I effectively just turned my JPEG into PNG with the ability to add some effects, crop, edit, whatever I wanted through the Photoshop app. But as I say, it is a little bit more of a professional approach. So pick whichever version or option you like the most or which one you want to use. So that's how it works. These are my thoughts on this topic. Let me know below in the comments what you think about it, and if you have some more specific things that you would like to get covered, then leave them below in the comments. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the videos in the future. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next one.